tayo mag-outro, mag-intro pa lang. Halika dito. Dali dito kay Papa. Tayo na, kay birthday ni Papa. Happy birthday, Papa!
Thank you.
Happy... Kanina! Kay birthday ni Papa, dali! Happy birthday, Papa! Halika na ba? Ano man ito sila, oy? Happy birthday, my love. Oh, sorry. How is it, Dabi? Show me lang. Yeah, it's super red, no? And it's still big. Birthday na po ni Daniel, so today is the day. May pabakasyon po tayo. Ready na bang lahat?
Yeah.
Ready na bang lahat, Papa?
Ready na tayo.
Hey, tayo.
Birthday, Papa.
Birthday, Papa.
Papa ang birthday. Si Papa. Papa ang may birthday. Si Papa ang may birthday. I-kiss mo si Papa. Dali kay birthday ni Papa. I-kiss mo. Tinanong ko si Daniel ba kung may nag-ano na po sa kanya. May nagbati na. Alas 9 na po dito. Sabi niya ang wife niya pa lang daw ang nagbati sa kanya. Oh, mahal. They will all greet you now. Thousands of people will be greeting you now.
Yay!
Pero binati na din siya ni M at saka ni Maricel. Nag-message na po sila. Papa, happy birthday. Si Papa. Si Papa. Kain na, kain ng tinapay. Dali, kaya magalis na tayo. Andito na po tayo sa airport. Sabihin mo, Nathan. Charot, sabihin mo.
Harbor,
Charot, sabihin mo. So today, we are going to the Philippines. Joke, joke, joke.
Sure,
Pag-sure daw, sabi ni Daniel. Pupunta po tayo today sa Terschelling. Last time na nandun kami is 2 years ago na po. Tagal-tagal na din. How many?
What's in the bag, mahal?
Clothes! How many nights we are there?
You know we have clothes now.
Yeah.
Then you need one set of clothes for tomorrow and one for the day after tomorrow. How can we fill a whole
Mahal, we
bag
have
like
we
that?
have a baby, mahal. That's how it is,
Yeah,
mahal.
even smaller clothes.
Yeah, mama,
How
papa.
can that it did not fit in the small suitcase? What are you packing in here?
Because we're going to the Philippines after
How
that.
many suitcases? How many weeks worth of clothes did you put in here?
Mahal, be thankful that I did not bring the other suitcases, mahal. The bigger one. Happy yarn? Magsakay si Nata ng boat. Kalayo pa pala ng lakaran natin. Uy, andun kasi yung parking. Nandito po yung pa-boat. Para lang tayo nasasamal nito. Ay, may 15 minutes pa po tayo yung iba. Sumasakay na doon sa barko. Uy, mingal ako eh. May pa-city din po sila dito. Oh. Harlingan City. Kailangan po natin ilagay dito yung mga gamit. Excited na siya magsakay ng boat. Ay, yung pa-boat natin, oh. We're in Samal, guys. Whoa! Boat, Nathan! See the boat, Nathan? Are we sitting upstairs, mahal?
But outside?
Yeah?
Maybe let's start inside.
Okay.
We can always go outside then.
Yeah. Andito na po tayo. May paganito pala silang nalalaman dito para sa mga bata.
So,
How many hours are we in the boat, mahal? This is the snail boat.
1.5 hours or something.
Meron silang pa-slide. Doon siya. Naglalaro na.
This is actually a nice place.
Yeah, nice place. And there's ook Nathan, kijk. Wow. 1, 2, 3. Wee! Wala, hari siya ngayon. Wala ibang bata. Siya lang. Hello. Happy mama kasin. May that's the... Ay, may bata na guys. May mga bata na papasok. Tawagan natin ang best friend ni Daniel guys. Okay, kiyawat na lang. Meron pang ano sa kanya. Mag-greet. Si Vika kasi kakarating niya lang mga alas 4. Siguro tulog pa yun. Tay. Birthday ni Daniel, Tay. Ng best friend mo. Oh, batiin mo, Tay.
Birthday? Hindi nga, birthday ngayon?
Oh, birthday niya ngayon.
Wow! Are you sure?
Hi!
Birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
I love you too! Ay, salamat!
Ay, nandito ka. Nandito kami sa barge. Mang, nandito kami sa barge. Papunta na ng Samal. Huh? Anli Pusi daw.
It's right there.
Tay, my mom is saying that they will alarm your birthday. They will put an ano ba as scheduled alarm.
Oh.
Forever 21 pag sure oy.
What's that? Ah, Forever 21. Nice. Let me guess the bag is for me, but what's inside is for you. Yeah, would be nice. Or we were there. Would also be nice.
Oh, kadami ng bata dito. 2 oras pala to. Ang pa-boat no, 2 oras. Yung pabalik pala namin ang mabilis. Hala, so this is the sea of the Netherlands. Why is it the color is ano mahal? The color is brown.
Yeah.
Why?
That's just how it is here.
Ang anak ko dito. Kadami niya masyadong kalaro kanina. Siguro mga 6 na bata. Mahilig masyado sa makipaglaro sa ibang bata. Ay, 2 oras pa man pala tayo dito. Ilabas natin yung mga baton. Kainin ko ng saging sinatay. Kompleto po tayo dito. May tinapay, may crackers. One crackers mo? I want to try this one. Salt and pepper.
A lot of algae in the water.
That's why it's brown.
Brown is why it says.
Yung pabalik namin.
Which one are you doing? The paprika? Not the salt and pepper? Okay, whatever you want. In the Netherlands, mahal, you can open it like this.
Ah, in the Netherlands you can. In the Philippines you cannot open it like that.
I know. Because the glue is super strong in the Philippines.
Nathan, kay. Leper. Come here. Lilia? Okay ba yan?
Yeah.
Akyat po tayo sa taas. Para makakita naman tayo ng totoong dagat sa Netherlands. Akyat na tayo kay nag-iyakan ang mga bata doon guys. Nangahulog na. Grabe ka busy sa labas. What? Nandito na po tayo after 2 hours. The island of Terschelling. Terschelling. Kunin na natin yung mga gamit. Tapos diretso po kami sa hotel para mahatid yung gamit kasi alas 2 pa yung aming check-in. Tapos kain na din po tayo para sa lunch. Daming mga turista dito, katulad natin. Mga bakasyonista. Ito parang ano yan sila, field trip. Ito yung inaabangan ko dito. Oh, ang pa-fresh isda nila. Hindi man tayo pwede. Uy, kay buntis. Huling punta po natin dito, si Nathan ay 7 months. 7 months pa po siya. Ito yung West Terschelling. Malaki ito siya na island, guys. Painit na naman sila. Oh. Malapit lang po dito sa boat yung hotel na kinuha ko. Yung may aircon, no? Yung hindi siguro nila sana patayin ba. Kaya nung huling andito tayo, palagi nilang pinapatay ang aircon sa gabi. Kamahal-mahal ng bayad ko doon sa hotel, tapos patayan lang kami ng aircon. Trip siguro mga alauna ata, yung parang mahimbing na mga tulog ng tao ba. Tapos bigla ka lang magising kay kainit. Pabuang nun, uy. So we can go already inside, my love.
Yeah. So we can just put our luggage here.
Yeah.
Good, because then I can also just take that.
So we are, we have two, yeah.
Bed.
Yeah, we have 2
Yeah.
bed. Wow. Slap Nathan here. Ito na po yung ating hotel room. May aircon. Ang bayad ko po dito is 380 euros. Ano na po siya? We don't have a bath, mahal. That's fine. 380 euros, 2 gabi. Yan po yung kanilang toilet, and the shower is, how do you open this? Ay, shower. Okay naman po siya, no? Meron po siyang pa-blower. Can you turn on the aircon, mahal? Because we paid for it, mahal. That's the only thing that we are here, because I want aircon.
This is aircon.
You know. Hi! Wil je daar slapen? Met mama en papa? Dat is je eigen bed, de andere bed. Doon yung ano mo, higaan mo.
Bed.
Ja? Wil je daar slapen en dan mama en papa daar?
Nathan.
Nathan here? Okay. At ang kanilang pa-outside view. Church ata to eh. Oo, church to, guys. I hope they are not turning off the aircon at 1 o'clock in the morning, mahal ha. Sabi super mad, Jude. It's hot ba ya? Para ding lula ko. Mamatay, magpatay ng electric pan sa umaga. Magising ka, mga alas 6, kaya wala ng electric pan. Gabi na kainit. William Nunarbauten, magkain ka na? Kay Aiton?
Wagen.
Ja?
Ja.
Met de wagen?
Ja.
Okay, ja. Kasama daw ang kanyang stroller. Ja. Ja, we gaan nu eten, okay? Water heater, mga tea, coffee. So, yun na po siya. Maliit na kwarto for 380 euros. Happy birthday, my love!
Thank you.
Ito po yung kanilang pa-terrace. Pwede tayong tumambay dyan. Yan po yung ating pa-hotel. Hotel Upkes. Kung taga dito po kayo sa Netherlands, no? Baka naman. Hintayin nyo muna kung mag-andar ang aircon, guys. Bukas nyo malaman kung patayan ba tayo ng aircon. Kunin na po muna natin. No, we'll go with you outside. Kunin na natin yung nirentahan ko na bike. Masya kayo sa bike namin mamaya, guys. Gabi, isa lang ang nirentahan namin. Isa lang po ang nirentahan ko kay para makasakay na kami kay Daniel at makapag-vlog-vlog ako habang nagbabike po siya. Ganito yung bike natin, guys, oh. Nagsakay kami ni Nathan. Kasya man ako dyan, kasya kaming dalawa. Kasya kaya ang stroller? Kasya, uy. Kasya masyado. Hintayin po namin ang tatay niya dito. Doon kunin ang bike. Sabi ko hindi na kami sasama. Baka magtanong pa ba bakit isa lang ang bike. Baka malaman pa nila na pati ang nanay magsakay. Pero okay lang man. Kaya ang nanay para mang grade 5. Parang grade 1 talaga. Okay ka lang dyan? Ano po today? 20 degrees. Pero ang araw, grabe. Kung makapanakit. Field trip din po yan sila. Oh, nagrenta din sila ng bike. Kadami pong nag-field trip today. Pero wala masyado yung mga magbakasyon-bakasyon kasi mostly yung dyan na west, yung pinuntahan po natin. Napakadaming tao po niyan. Pero ngayon wala pa masyado. Kasi may mga trabaho pa ang mga tao. May pa kasi. Pero pag June yan, August, grabe yan dito guys, magdagsakan po. Grabe ang init, uy. Wow! Diyan kami sa harap ni Nathan. I can be there, right? Oh, meron pa tayong paano pala yan, oh. Pwede din ako magamit ng mga paganyan,
Do you
oh.
think the
Seat
buggy
belt.
will fit in there together with
Yeah, Belle. Yeah, it will fit. Electric po yan. So, where are we eating? Just in the west, mahal. Let's eat first.
Yeah.
Easy daw masyado ka electric nga po siya, no? Yeah, it's weird. Sila, oh, nakapalang, oh. Parang nasa loob lang ng bahay, no? Wala pala siyang tsinelas, guys. Oh, magbili pa siya, oh. Naghahanap pa siya ng tsinelas niya. Wala talagang katao-tao. Grabe, nanibago ako. First time. Ito ang favorite restaurant namin ni Daniel. Diyan kami mag-celebrate ng birthday niya. Diyan po tayo mag-dinner mamaya. Alam ko na bakit hindi busy. Isa din sa dahilan kasi po hindi pa naman bakasyon ngayon. May pa nga. Tapos, ano ba, weekdays po. Diba? Kay si Daniel kumuha lang siya ng bakasyon para sa birthday. Kaya, very ano po dito, no? Very relaxing. Mas maganda pa ganito. Kasi maraming tao. You found the sleepers? Okay. Then let's go back there. Let's eat first. Mahal, I'm not used to it ba?
Not used to what?
Not a lot of people. It's very, no, it's so relaxing and not a lot of people.
Yeah, because it's not school vacation anymore.
Yeah, it's not school vacation. Then let's go. Yeah, chocolate milk daw for Nathan.
Where?
There. Let's eat there, not at the storm because we're eating dinner there already later.
Yeah, and the brush is in the full sun, so that's no good.
Ito bahay to, oh. Bahay. Mga shop din po sila. Restaurant. Tingin-tingin lang kayo dyan, ha? Kaya nasa Europe na naman kayo today. Bahay nila, oh, maganda sa loob. Tulad yan, oh. Pwede ka mag-shopping dyan. Sa Hema.
You want to eat in Hema?
No. Ayan yung kanilang pa. What is that, mahal? How do you say that in English, mahal? The lighthouse. Yeah, lighthouse of Terschelling. This one, mahal. Let's eat here. Hotel Cafe. Yeah. Hotel Cafe Restaurant. Or you want the other side because we never been there the last time too. Pa-ice cream. Ito restaurant din po yan, oh. Aisha, yeah, Aisha. Ice cream daw. In the shade, mahal. You want to be in the hot? Inside. Inside.
Inside. Yeah, let's go to the other thing that we just spoke about.
Yeah. Yeah, Aisha 8 and Strax, okay.
Yeah, we can.
Dito tayo kay may electric fan sila, guys. Oh. Cute din masyado ang hangin. Here. Ang OOTD ko po for today ay galing kay April Select. Hoy,
Hello.
bili chocolate milk o sinasapo-sap? What bili yan? Sinasapo-sap. Fresh to? Have you live fresh? Okay, yeah. Ah, okay.
Oh.
Ah,
Ik wil wel graag een cornet oat.
Umalis sila ng tatay niya. Bumili ng, tingnan nyo, bagong laruan. Alam nyo magkano? 10 euros.
Yeah,
Happy birthday.
That's why I'm getting him, even though it's expensive.
Happy birthday, Papa. Sabi mo. Grabe na kailang happy birthday na Papa tayo ba? Parang mga 108 na.
Van harte gefeliciteerd met mijn verjaardag.
Pakita mo sa kanila ang bagong mo auto. Dali. Wow, that is mine. Yeah, I be chocolate milk, Papa.
You want to try?
Yeah, I want to try a little bit of sardines. Just a little bit of sardines. No egg, right? No mayonnaise.
I don't see any mayonnaise.
With
Well, there, because
sardines
the-
and bread. Akin naman at kay Nathan, meron kaming cheese sticks. Yan lang, kay busog pa kami guys.
Why didn't you go for this?
Hmm?
Why didn't you go
I think
for
it's too big for me, mahal.
this? I can share with you.
Kasarap ng pasardinas nila guys. Yummy, mahal.
You want more?
Wow. You like it? She's still not wearing slipper. She was looking for a slipper there. Now she... Yan na yun siya guys. Oh. Nakapaa kanina. Wala pa rin siyang sinela. Then she was... Huh? Yeah, she was in the store, mahal. She was looking for slipper. Maybe she could not find something for her.
Something nice, because I want something that's nice. It's hard to find.
Yeah.
Because I want the slipper with the
Nagchinelas na yan siya.
with the fabric,
Nag-change
not with the
outfit.
plastic, because then it's not nice between the feet. And it also needs to be light and comfortable to walk, because if it's too heavy, it's not good for whole day.
So you found something there?
I found something that I think is light and nice and comfy.
Si
Because
Nathan.
These are already a little bit heavy, the ones I have now.
Okay. Si Nathan, patulugin muna natin to. May lang tayo mag-bike-bike kay grabe din kainit eh. Tulog siya 1 oras tas ano na po tayo, no, gala na po tayo. Dito. Pabalik na po tayo sa hotel. Ito sanang kunin ko na hotel. Oh, tingnan ko ba. Mas mahal po siya sa hotel na nakuha ko. Tapos hindi aircon. Tingin sa taas, oh, nakabukas ng bintana. Bahala, uroy. Init-init, lalo na sa gabi.
How much do you think?
Ha?
How much do you think?
40?
35.
Ah. For the ano daw sa aming lunch, 35.
Daddy.
Yeah, this is their scaling.
First I thought, that's not expensive.
What?
First I thought it's not expensive.
The food.
Yeah, and the drinks.
Yeah.
But then I thought, well, wait, you did not have any drink. And also, you did not really have lunch. You had a snack.
Yeah. It's your birthday. Who's gonna party? Yeah, it's your birthday. Oh. Sige, maglakad ka kay para mas lalo ka mapagod. Hi, Bao. Wow.
Go, Mama.
Yeah. Dali na. Marami tayong ball sa bahay. Halika na. Dali na. Nathaniel. Bayhan. What's the other? And boom. Yeah. Dali na. Sus, pagkatsismuso sa akong anak. Uy. Dali na. Marites ka masyado dyan. Kama. Matulog ka ha? Nathan. Uy, matulog ka ha? Uy. Matulog ka hindi? Papa is there? Kama na Papa. So, maybe you can try it.
This,
Try it daw.
but I think maybe this is small.
Try 46.
This is 10. I think I need 11.
That's small, mahal.
Yeah, this is
May Habayanas din po sila. O, magkano kayang Habayanas dito? 32 euros. Magkano na to sa atin, guys? 32 times 61. Yung normal lang po na Habayanas. Pag napatulog ko daw si Nathan, alis na muna si Daniel. Magtingin-tingin po siya, no? Sa mga pastor nila. More. That's still small. I like that color more. So, you like it?
Yeah, I like it more than this one because see how high my
Yeah.
my heel goes when I
Then buy it.
This one not so much.
Let's buy it. 13 daw siya. Ibalik niya yung 12. Bilhin na natin yan. How much is it, my love? 40 euros. 35? 35 euros. Nag-shopping na. Maganda dito, pag hindi na mainit. Maya, mga alas 9 ganon. Diyan po tayo, mga alas 8 ng gabi. Dali na, Wehan! Pasok na, pasok! Pasok sa hotel. Mama Kat here, binan. Dali na.